just another glorious day in Coventry. We're at the National Painting and Decorating Show at the Coventry Building Society Arena. Now, this is second day in. I came yesterday, I had a walk round, and I'm back again to do some main filming. Now, it's quite interesting because I did find that it was a very quiet show for the first day. People will probably comment and say, oh, it was really busy. But you know what, when the day starts at 9:30 and it finishes at 4, the day goes really quickly. So I feel I've not seen everything at the show. Hopefully I'm going to get round today and see a little bit more. But don't want to say it, I think there's a lot of traders that aren't here this year that were probably here last year and probably the year before. But saying that, is it a good show? Yes, it's worth coming to. What do you get out of it? Me personally, I get a lot of enjoyment from coming to see the people that I speak to on social media. I also like to network with the brands and the companies that I've probably spoke to over the last 12 months as well. But I'm going to say it, and there's a lot of trade shows out there now up and down the country, and is this just another trade show where everybody's gathering all in, really, I'll say the Midlands, in the middle of the country? I'm not sure. Give us some comments on that one. But I do enjoy coming, and I know next year is going to be a bit different because we're going to be at the installer show from what I'm being told from people. Whether that's a good thing or a bad thing, I'm not sure. I'll probably sit on the fence and say it could be a good thing. It could mean that there's a show that pulls in more trades, but as decorators, do we want to be mixing with other trades? That's probably the question that I'm going to ask. But yeah, I'm going to stop talking now because my cheeks are going a bit cold. It's probably only about 6 degrees. I did have a bit of snow on the car this morning, which, if you remember last year, we did have quite a bit of a heavy snowfall, particularly in Nottingham where I'm from. So I'm going to pause, I'm going to get in the show, get warmed up, and I'll try and get in there and speak to a few different people that I've probably not spoke to before. I'm going to try and speak to the trade stands that I've probably not covered at other trade shows, and we'll see how it goes. Those videos will be all in sections. This is just a bit of an intro to what we're actually doing at the Painting and Decorating Show in Coventry. And you know what, I'm blinking freezing, my hands are shaking. Catch you later. We are actually on day one of the Painting and Decorating Show, and I'm just trying to touch base with a few people that I met up with last year, and we're over on the Dripless Caulk gun stand. And if you remember, I'm going to put a finger into that corner. We spoke to James. Now, James was brilliant. He did a demo for me. He's not going to do a demo now. We'll do that on another video tomorrow. But that video there is the, what should we say, the best video for me for Caulk guns, because off the back of that, I know people have actually contacted me and says, where'd you get your Caulk gun from? I've got an Amazon associate link, please see below. Help me fund that Porsche. But James is going to swivel round to me, and we're just going to say, hello James, nice to see you again.
Pleasure to see you too.
How are you finding the show this year round?
Great.
Has it been very popular because everybody's seen my YouTube video?
Super. So far, super.
So far, so good. I notice up here, we've just been talking about the pink Caulk gun. Can you just tell us why you brought that out in, was it, you say August?
Well, we sell those normally in the States in October.
October.
So it's a part of a charity promotion that we do with Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So every gun that we sell in October, and the pink guns, we donate then a portion of the funds back to Susan Crone, her research fund.
That's really good, that's really good. And I should think it's a very popular gun for people to purchase.
Yeah, well, it's been, we should have brought hundreds of them over at this show, because a lot of people, especially women, wanted to buy a pink gun. We've got a lot of professional painters in the States that use pink guns, and they like them because they figure they won't get stolen as much as our other guns. You know, our other guns don't break, but they get stolen off of job sites and so forth. So if you get a pink gun, they probably won't get stolen as frequently.
Oh, we definitely know that it will be. Just quickly touching on this, I've had one since seeing you last year. I use the word game changer. It is a game changer. We're a firm that's been going 60 years. My father's with me today. He's using it. the chap that started with us in 1966 at the age of 15, he's tried it and thinks, why haven't we had these before? Because to us in the UK, this is the first time we'd come up against it. It's lightweight, it does what it needs to do, it does what it says on the tin, it doesn't drip, and I also like that you can swivel it round.
Yeah.
You're not in a fixed position once it's got tension. With the tension bar, you are actually able to still rotate it round into the position that you need it to be in. So that's great. As I said, thank you for talking to me. I will see you tomorrow and we'll get a bit better demo from your, well, official person who's doing demos.
Yeah, it's the president.
The president?
Yeah.
What, Mr. Trump?
Yeah, no, not that one.
All right, that's on that note, I'm going to say thank you.